Welcome back to your Sacred Feminine Reset series. Our class today is a gentle Pilates practice that's going to help you strengthen your core. We'll begin in a tabletop position. Stack your shoulders over your wrists and your hips over your knees and just move through some cat-cow. Inhale, arch, gaze forward, broaden through your collarbones. And exhale, tuck your tailbone, round your spine one vertebrae at a time. Inhale, arch, gaze forward. Exhale, round. One more like this. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, come to a neutral position. We'll take some bird dog. Extend your left leg back behind you. Flex through your left ankle. Keep your core engaged here. And then reach your right fingertips forward. Imagine a nice straight line of energy from your right fingertips to the sole of your left foot. Take a deep inhale breath. And exhale, bring your elbow toward your knee. Round your spine. And think about really engaging your core. Inhale, extend your arm and leg. Exhale, elbow to knee round. Inhale, extend. Exhale, round. Inhale, extend. Exhale, round. 4 more. Inhale, extend. Exhale, round. 3, extend and round. 2. Last one. Extend your arm and leg, and then release and switch sides. Lift your right leg, and then reach your left fingertips forward. Again, find balance here. Nice straight line of energy from the left fingertips to the sole of your right foot. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, elbow to knee round. Inhale, extend. Exhale, round. 6 more here. Flowing with your own breath. 4, 3, 2. Last one. Extend your arm and leg, inhale, and exhale, release, and make your way onto your back. Ground through your feet. And for our first exercise, we'll just take a basic crunch here. Take an inhale, exhale, lift your shoulder blades off the ground. Inhale, lower back down. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower for 8. 4. 2. And 1. Beautiful. Bring your palms down to the earth and bring your knees in toward your chest so that you're at a 90-degree angle here with your legs. We'll lower one foot down and then the other. Inhale, lower your foot down, and exhale, bring your knee back in. Then switch sides. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Beautiful. Right and left. 8 more on each side. Make sure you're engaging your core so that your low back is on the mat. 4, 3, 2, Last one. Place both feet back on the mat. We're going to take a modified bicycle here. So you'll bring your hands back beside your ears, but don't grab onto the head. We want to just have the hands outside the ears resting here. And then straighten your left leg. Point your left toe. Take an inhale breath. And then exhale. You'll bend your left knee in toward you and bring your right elbow toward the left knee. Inhale, extend the leg back, release. And exhale, curl it in, elbow toward knee. Inhale, extend. Exhale, curl. Beautiful. 6 more. 3, 2, and 1. Switch sides. Straighten your right leg. Point your right toes. Take an inhale breath. Exhale, curl in. Bring the left elbow to the right knee as you bend your right knee. Inhale, extend the leg and lower your arm. And exhale, curl. 8, 7, 6, 5. You've got it. 2, and last one. Release both feet back down. We'll take that circuit one more time through. So beginning with those standard crunches here, bring your hands back. Take an inhale. Exhale, lift your chest. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. 8, 5, 2, and 1. Bring your legs back into that tabletop position. We'll lower one foot down and then the other. Inhale, lower down, and exhale to bring your knee back in towards your chest. You have 9 more on each side. Again, ground your low back into your mat, engaging your core. 6, 3, 'Last one. Bring both feet back to the mat for those modified bicycles. Bring your hands back beside your ears. Straighten your left leg. Take an inhale. Exhale, curl the left knee in. Bring your right elbow toward the left knee. Inhale, extend the arm, or extend the leg rather. Exhale, curl. 8 more. Really exhale as you bring your elbow toward your knee. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Switch sides, straighten your right leg, point your toe, take a deep inhale. Exhale, elbow toward the knee. Inhale, extend the leg straight. Exhale, elbow to knee. 8 more. 3 more. 2, and 1. Release. Reach your arms up overhead and take a nice deep stretch. Pointing your toes, and then just roll onto your belly here. Bring your hands outside your chest, feet as wide as your mat, and inhale, lift up into your variation of cobra, keeping your elbows bent here. Just taking a stretch through the belly. And then exhale, bring your forehead back down and press into extended child's pose with your knees wide, big toes touching, forehead to the earth just for a moment. And then come back to a comfortable seated position. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Please make sure you check out the rest of this series in the description. I'll see you next time.